Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two popular task management tools, Google Tasks and Notion. If you are looking for the best way to stay productive, you've probably come across these two apps, but which one is better for managing your daily tasks? Should you go for simplicity of Google Tasks or the flexibility of Notion? By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool is the right for you. So let's get started. Before we dive into the comparison, let's briefly go over what these two apps are. For Google Tasks is a lightweight to-do list app developed by Google. It's built into Gmail, Google Calendar, and other Google services, making it easy to manage tasks without installing anything extra. It's perfect for people who want a simple, no fun way to track tasks, set deadlines, and stay organized. Notion, on the other hand, is more than just a task manager. It's an all-in-one workspace that lets you create notes, databases, wikis, and project management boards. It's highly customizable, allowing users to structure their workflow exactly how they want, whether you are managing personal tasks or running a team project. Notion can do it all. So how these two compares when it comes to productivity? Let's break it down. So when it comes to ease of use, Google Tasks is a winner. Google Tasks has a minimal interface, just a simple list where you can add tasks, set deadlines, and mark them as complete. There is no learning and you can start using it immediately. It integrates directly with Gmail and Google Calendar, so if you are already using Google's ecosystems, it fits in naturally. There are no extra features or distractions, just a straightforward to-do list. But for Notion, on the other hand, has a steeper learning one. So first, while it offers a lot of customization, it can feel overwhelming for new users. Also, you have to set up your own task management system using databases, tables, or Kanban boards. So if you want something that works right off the box, Notion might not be the best choice. So if you are looking for a quick and easy way to manage tasks, Google Tasks is the better option for you. But if you are willing to put in the effort to create a custom system, Notion has more flexibility. So now let's talk about the features and customization of each one. So let's start with Google Tasks. For Google Tasks, it's very basic. It lets you create simple to-do lists, set due dates, add subtasks, sync tasks with Google Calendar, and that's pretty much it. There is no rich text formatting, no attachments, or advanced organization features. However, Notion is packed with features. For example, task lists with checkboxes, Kanban boards for project management, databases with filters and sorting options, the ability to add images, videos, and also to add attachments, and also collaboration tools for teams. Essentially, Notion is not just a task manager, it's a complete workspace where you can organize everything in one place. So if you want just a task list, Google Task is enough, but if you want something more advanced with so many advanced features, so Notion is gonna be the right choice for you. Another important factor, which is integration. So let's talk about Google Tasks. So Google Tasks integrates seamlessly with Gmail, so it converts emails into tasks. Also Google Calendar, see tasks alongside events, and it integrates also with Google Assistant. Since Google Tasks is part of Google's ecosystem, it works well across all Google apps. However, it doesn't have integrations with third-party apps like Trello or Slack. But for Notion, it supports more integrations like with Zapier, with Slack, with Google Drive, and also with APIs integration. So Notion is much better for people who need to connect their task manager with other tools. But if you already use Google services daily, Google Tasks is the more natural choice. So if you are working alone, both Google Tasks and also Notion are working well for you, okay? But if you are working with others, here Notion is the better choice. So you need to know that Google Task is strictly a personal task manager. You can't share lists or assign tasks to others, while Notion on the other hand lets you share pages, assign tasks, and also set up a team dashboard. So if you are managing a team project, Notion is the clear winner. But if you are just needing a private to-do list, the Google Task is going to be better for you. Now let's talk if Google Task and Notion has apps on mobile. Yes, both of them, they have apps on mobile. So for Google Tasks, the mobile app is lightweight short and fast, simplest format and easy to use on the go, and also syncs instantly with Google Calendar. But for Notion, the mobile app is feature packed but slower. Second, it requires more effort to navigate, and third, not ideal for quick task entry. So if you need a fast mobile experience, so you need to go to Google Tasks and it's gonna be better for you. But if you want all your projects and notes in one place, Notion's mobile app is worth considering. So this was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you can get more helpful guides, and also you're gonna find the link of Notion and Google Tasks in the description. And also there are a lot of other websites or apps like Notion and Google Tasks in order to organize your work, like Microsoft To Do. So all you need to do is to go and test everything, and at the end you can see which one is better for you. So this was the video, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.